Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at the EpiCooler, that magical box you've likely seen haunting your social media feeds. It claims to be a no-installation AC that works all year round, keeping you frosty in the summer and toasted in the winter. It's marketed as a plug-and-play miracle that offers instant comfort with zero setup. But the big question is it actually legit, or just another piece of expensive plastic destined for the junk drawer? Let's break it down. First on the list of worries, they're shouting about a massive 60% limited time discount and calling it the United States #1 rated portable AC. Sounds impressive, right? The only problem is there's absolutely no proof of that rating. No certifications, no awards, nothing but vibes. These kinds of dramatic discounts and hollow titles are usually just there to create fake urgency. Because nothing says premium quality like a permanent fire sale on a product nobody has ever heard of. Next, they throw out random numbers like 91, 94, and 92% as if they've been conducting rigorous scientific trials. However, there are no sources, no lab reports, and no explanations for what those numbers even mean. Real cooling products usually list actual technical specifications, not just a game of pick a high number. At this point, those stats are basically science fiction without the cool special effects. That's a major warning sign for anyone with a functioning brain. Then there's the expert endorsement. They claim the product is backed by a licensed HVAC technician named James Turner. Plot twist: there is zero evidence this person even exists, let alone supports the product. Scam websites love using fake expert names to appear credible, mostly because James Turner sounds a lot more professional than the guy who made this website in his basement. Without verification, this endorsement is about as solid as a chocolate teapot. Now for the physics-defying claims. They say this tiny gadget can cool a 51 square meter area while remaining whisper quiet. Realistically, a small plug-and-play device without an exhaust hose cannot cool a space that large unless you're living in a dollhouse. There are no proper technical details provided, just a lot of big promises that ignore the laws of thermodynamics. If you believe this thing can cool a whole apartment, I have a lovely bridge in London I'd like to sell you. Finally, let's talk reviews. On their own site, it's all sunshine and rainbows, but on external platforms like Trustpilot, there is absolutely nothing. Zero. For a product claiming to be #1 rated, you'd think at least one real human being would have mentioned it online. The total lack of independent feedback is incredibly suspicious and usually means the product is either brand new, untested, or simply doesn't work. So, is the EpiCooler legit? Honestly, based on the exaggerated claims, imaginary stats, and invisible experts, it's about as trustworthy as a diet based on chocolate cake. It's much safer to stay away and invest in a portable AC from a well-known, reputable brand. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this helpful and want to save your cash for things that actually work, make sure to subscribe for more updates.